The first step in performing a noise-free brake job, well, it is to perform a complete inspection of the entire corner of the vehicle. This not only includes the brake pads, it includes the caliper, the rotor, the suspension, even the knuckle, and most of all, look at the strut on the vehicle. Make sure that there's no play or the bushings are worn out at the top. All of these components add together to make the brake noise. If everything is functioning properly on the vehicle, then that brake noise will be shifted outside of the range of human hearing. Okay, once you get that bolt out of the caliper guide pin and you can swing up the caliper, take a look at the brake pads. Make any notes on any uneven wear. Especially look for tapered brake pad wear, because this can indicate that there may be an issue with one of the guide pins or the slides over the caliper bracket that could be causing the brake pad to hang up and distribute uneven amounts of force onto the brake rotor. Once you remove the caliper bracket, make sure you look at the hardware and the condition of the caliper bracket overall. If there's excessive rust, well, it could cause that brake pad to hang up in the caliper bracket. And if you're performing a brake job, make sure that you're replacing the hardware and that you're ordering a set of brake pads that also include the hardware along with the brake pads. Part of the secret here, well, it's to take notes. Make notes on the condition of the caliper, the brake pads, and also the hardware of the system, and perform that complete inspection of that corner of the vehicle and write it down on the repair order. This way the customer knows what's wrong with their vehicle and you won't miss anything when you go to order parts for the vehicle. This way you can select parts and solutions that can give a noise-free brake job. I'm Andrew Markel. Thank you very much.